Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right materials and testing them on an inconspicuous corner. Use a cotton swab with 70–90% isopropyl to target marker ink. Once done, blot not rub to lift pigment. If it's a photo, protect the emulsion by working from the ink edge toward the center. Make sure to rotate swabs so you always use a clean tip. This avoids spreading the stain and lets you see progress immediately as the solvent dissolves the marker. You now focus on controlled removal. Apply solvent in tiny amounts and roll the swab from the stain's edge inward to prevent feathering. Once the marker begins to lift, switch to a dampened swab with distilled water to neutralize solvent residue, then dab with a lint-free cloth to remove loosened pigment. If the surface is porous paper, use a kneaded eraser in small lifts. If glossy or coated, avoid scrubbing. Opt for repeated light solvent. You finish by gently rinsing with a distilled water swab and dabbing dry, then press the picture flat under a clean weight to prevent warping. If a faint trace remains, repeat the tested solvent routine or consider scanning and retouching digitally instead of more mechanical cleaning. If colors shift, emulsion softens, or paper fibers lift, stop immediately. Make sure to consult a conservator. That single troubleshooting tip will prevent further irreversible damage and often saves the piece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.